Hello guys, welcome back to 17TV. In this video, I will show you how I made this foggy rainy window text effects. Stay tuned, so you won't miss important details. Before I proceed to the tutorial, let me shout out my following subscribers: Burakdet Vlogs, Kelf Vlog, Wendelim's channel, Edsel Haas, Romeo TV, Team Canate, Desiree Ibeo Vlog, Pine Lagalag Texas, Lenkar Key, and M1 Star Danny TV. I will shout out random subscribers on my next video. If you want to be one of them, just hit the subscribe button. Here's the steps. Let's begin. Create a 16:9 project. Select the foggy rainy window from your gallery. Download link in the description below. Add a handwriting layer and change the color to blue. Then adjust the stroke size as you like. Write your channel name, or any name you want. Then add an animation called Draw in Order. Adjust the animation speed according to your liking. Just stretch the layer to add more slow animation options. If you're happy with the result, export the project to your gallery for the next step. Create another 16:9 project, and select the City Night Lights clip from your gallery. The download link is in the description below. Add the video layer we created earlier. Adjust the speed of the background layer to match the length of the text effect layer. Select the second layer, click Split Screen tab, and select Full Screen. Click the Chroma Key tab, and flip the switch on. Change the key color to blue, or depending on the color of your text, and adjust the opacity level. Change the blend mode to screen, to reveal the layer behind. Then adjust the opacity as you like. Add another layer of the foggy rainy window. Click Split Screen, then choose Full Screen. Change the blend mode to Overlay, and adjust the opacity as you like. Let's try to play to see the partial result. Go to the beginning of the timeline. Then add photo layer of a PNG format pointing hand. Download link in the description below. And adjust the size and position to match with the beginning of the text stroke. Click the keyframe button. Then position the hand on the beginning of the text stroke. Then click the plus sign. Reposition the hand following the direction of the stroke as you drag the timeline to create your handwriting effects. Go to the beginning of the timeline and add a keyframe to animate the entry of the pointing hand. If you're happy with the result, export the project to your gallery. And here's the final result. Now it's your turn. Try it yourself. Please comment below for any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. God bless us all.